Hey guys, we're about to open up here in the next couple minutes, but I wanted to talk to you about two things. First thing is, if you're watching this video, hopefully you're gonna put a comment below and enter to win my Escort Max 2 radar detector. I've been giving away my cards at the Philly Auto Show. I've been telling people all you need to do is subscribe and you have a chance to win that Escort Max radar detector. So that's first, number one. Number two is I want to talk to you about the mod that I did right before I came to the Philly Auto Show, and that is I swapped out the 2015 intake manifold with the 2018 intake manifold. So stay tuned and let's find out why I did that. Okay guys, so I'm sure you guys are wondering why I swapped out the 2018 intake manifold with the 2015 intake manifold. I'm going to show you guys some pictures here because I want you to see, even though that these look very similar to the way that they are on the car, there's some big differences between the two. And I really had two options as far as I was concerned. I had the GT350 intake or the 2018 intake. I kind of looked at both of them. Both of them were very similar in the numbers. So guys, to go from the 2015, 2017 intake manifold to the 2018 intake manifold, you're adding about a liter of air to the intake manifold. That's huge. Now, as far as gains go, on a standard 5.0 non-boosted car, you're probably looking around 20 to 25 horsepower. For a $300 mod, that is huge. Guys, think about that, 300 bucks. That's about the same price as as a cold air intake. So for that swap, it's a very, very cool gain. Now for a guy that has a boosted car, so if you're running on turbos and things like that, and you swap that out, you can expect a lot more. We did do one quick pull after we put the intake manifold on, right before I brought it to the show, and I think we got around 45 horsepower, which is a really cool gain for such a small price to pay. I mean, 300 bucks, you're gaining 40, 45 horsepower on this car. I just don't think you could beat that. So I wanted to talk to you guys about that. The price difference between the 18 intake and the GT350 intake, you're talking about 300 bucks compared to like $1,100, $1,200. I don't even know what it is. It's over $1,000. So if you think about that, and you think about the small gains that you get up high with the GT350, it's a really small difference. So I just said it's clear for me that the 18 was the right choice. I also want to talk about my radar detector. So guys, if you're watching this video, it's Sunday night. The show has just ended, and I am about to give away my Escort Max 2 radar detector. Let me get a hold of this so you guys can see what it is. So guys, this is the Escort Max 2 radar detector. This radar detector has saved my ass many times. I'm gonna give this away. All you have to do, it's Sunday night now, you're watching this video, between now and 10 p.m. tomorrow, just put a comment below. All you have to do is say anything. Try to keep it clean, but just put a comment below. Hey, here's a shout out. Here's an idea for a new video. Say whatever you want. I'm gonna choose a random generator at 10 p.m. tomorrow. I'm gonna pick the winner, and the winner is gonna get this radar detector. I really wanna thank everybody who's come out to the show, who's visited, bagged, and boosted, and some really, really cool conversations, some great people, and really some great cars. So hopefully everybody who's come here has enjoyed this. Again, make sure to subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you tomorrow when I announce the winner.